Here is the story of the perpetual present, detailing the cosmic engineering and the divine promise. The promise of the perpetual present from the deepest void. Before the first stars flickered into life, there was a promise. It wasn't a contract etched in stone, but a foundational principle woven into the very fabric of existence by the Creator, an entity we perceive as God, the ultimate engineer. The promise was this: there will always be a present. In the beginning, the cosmos was a tumultuous factory, raw with energy and purpose. Out of this chaos, a meticulous design began to form. Centered on a small, sapphire blue sphere we would come to call Earth. The challenge was immense: how to deliver a continuous, ever-fresh moment of now to every point on its surface, simultaneously, yet sequentially. The answer was a masterpiece of orbital mechanics and celestial timing, the engineering marvel. Sol. And Luna, the brilliance of the design lay in the selection of the primary components, the sun, Sol, and the moon, Luna. These two bodies were not merely placed near the earth. They were positioned in a precise, dynamic, and eternal ballet. Sol, the engine of presence. The sun was assigned the role of the primary clock and the absolute source of the present. Its ceaseless emission of light and heat was not just energy. It was the physical manifestation of now. As the sun burned, it cast its brilliant illumination across one half of the spinning earth. This light was the gift the day of today. Wherever the light fell, the present was active, vibrant, and full of potential. Luna, the multiplier and regulator, the moon, Luna, was positioned as the essential secondary system. Smaller, calmer, and reflective. Its purpose was twofold: the multiplier. By exerting a subtle gravitational tug, Luna stabilized Earth's axial tilt and rotation. This ensured the perfect, consistent rhythm of the spin, guaranteeing that the sun's gift would be multiplied every other day. Every 24 hours the earth would complete its cycle, and the exact spot that was in darkness would once again sweep into the glorious light. The present was not finite. It was renewable. The promise keeper, the moon's gentle, silvery light ensured that even the hours of rest, the night, were not an absence, but a preparation. In the moon's glow, seeds of the next day's present could be tended. Dreams could be woven, and the energy necessary to appreciate the coming light could be gathered. The perpetual present in motion, the final mechanism was Earth's rotation. This simple, continuous spin was the ingenious lever that solved the problem of universal, yet individualized, presence. As Earth turns on its axis, a metaphorical line is constantly drawn across the surface, moving from east to west. This line is the dawn, the leading edge of the perpetual present. For the person in Tokyo, the present moment arrives as the sun crests the Pacific, a vivid burst of gold. Hours later, for the person in London, the present is delivered with the gentle warmth spreading across the ancient city. Later still, for the person in New York, the present is a sharp, electric energy as the light hits the glass towers. The key to the never-ending story is that the present is never a single, unified block of time. It is a rolling wave. When it is today for one group of people basking in the sun's direct light, it is already tomorrow in the hopes and dreams of the few just anticipating the dawn. And it is a time of rest and reflection, the receding present, for those now in the quiet of night. The system ensures that there can always be a present for some of us, because the planet itself is always caught between the sun's illumination and its shadow. The present never runs out. It simply shifts location. It is an engineering process that requires no maintenance, runs on the fusion of a distant star, and is governed by the universal laws of gravity and motion. It is a mechanism of time, life, and hope, a silent, ceaseless promise fulfilled anew with every sunrise, proving that the day of today is not a dwindling resource, but a perpetually multiplying gift delivered by a divine, flawless design. The story of the universe is not a countdown to an end, but the constant, breathtaking restart of the perpetual present. Keep up.